Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror on your vehicle. Having the correct tools makes this job much smoother and quicker. You will need a trim removal tool, a T25 Torx driver, and 10mm and 7mm sockets. Always wear safety gloves and glasses to protect yourself during the process. A new side mirror, specifically designed for your car, is also essential for a perfect fit and function. To access the mirror's mounting hardware, you first need to remove the interior door panel. Begin by prying off the small plastic cover behind the door pull handle. You will typically find 1 or 2 screws, often 7mm or T25 Torx, underneath. Next, carefully pry up the window switch panel and disconnect all electrical harnesses. Then, use a panel clip removal tool to release the clips securing the door panel around its perimeter. With the door panel removed, you can now access the mirror's mounting points. First, locate and disconnect the main electrical harness that powers your old mirror. Next, remove the 3 10mm nuts or bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Once these are off, gently pull the damaged mirror away from the vehicle. Now, take your new mirror and carefully feed its electrical harness through the door opening, aligning it properly. After positioning the new mirror, secure it with the 3 10mm nuts or bolts, tightening them snugly. Reconnect the mirror's electrical harness, ensuring it clicks into place. Now, reattach the door panel by aligning its clips with the corresponding holes and pressing firmly. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical harnesses to the window switch panel. Finally, test your new side mirror's power adjustments and any heating functions to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.